If you have systemic sclerosis, it can affect the gut from top to bottom. A lot of people with systemic sclerosis will find that they have a dry mouth and they have difficulty opening their mouth, and this can cause problems when you go to the dentist. Moving down the gut, if you have systemic sclerosis, you can have problems with the upper part of the gullet. And this can cause difficulty in swallowing, a lot of heartburn and indigestion, and sometimes acid coming back up in your throat. The good news is that we have good treatments for this problem, which really can be extremely incapacitating. If we can give our patients proton pump inhibitors, we know that we can eradicate these esophageal problems and improve their quality of life. Systemic sclerosis can also involve the middle part of the gut, and this is called the small bowel. And in systemic sclerosis, the small bowel goes into stasis, and that means that it doesn't move and propel the food along normally as it should do. As a result of this, the bugs that live in the gut overgrow, and that's a bad thing because it means that you don't absorb your food as you should, and it can give you problems of diarrhea and light-coloured motions that you can't flush away. The problems with the small bowel with the bacteria overgrowing can be overcome by giving antibiotics, usually on a cyclical basis. So you might have antibiotics 1 to 2 weeks out of every month, say. Systemic sclerosis can also affect the large part of the bowel and can cause nasty problems with constipation. Not infrequently, patients with systemic sclerosis can have problems with fecal incontinence, and this is an under-recognised problem.